So yeah, my dear friends. Now let's see about the pseudocode. As I mentioned earlier, okay, to give justification for all non-CSIT branches also, they cannot climb right now. So I don't know coding and all, you cannot climb like that. So when pseudocode is there, it's automatically okay equal justification for all non-CSIT branches and CSIT branches because this is a basic thing. You don't want any C language or Python or C++ to do pseudocodes and all, and especially as it mentioned, Accenture 18 questions out of 90 questions with this recent pattern. And if you see, as mentioned, Capgemini first round itself pseudocodes, 25 questions in first round itself only pseudocodes, 25 questions you will get. And in Hexaware exam also, okay, they are randomly changing the number of questions. Hexaware also we have around 15 questions approximately. I can see it's varying year to year actually. Okay, depends on the test pattern they are following. Okay, and you can find it in Infosys company. Okay, for 3.6 lakhs package. Infosys offers different package 3.6, 6.5, 9.5. So in one of that we have pseudocodes as well. Now without wasting any time, let's go further. So before the prerequisite for this pseudocodes is converting, okay, not for all questions, for at least few questions, you should require this knowledge. Converting decimal value to binary and binary to decimal. So CSC allied branches, okay, CSC umbrella branches, okay, and okay, circuit branches also, they're familiar in converting decimal to binary and binary to decimal. So only civil and mechanical, okay, non-circuit branches only having a issue regarding converting decimal to binary. Even CSC branches, fine. I just want to mention to spend 2 to 5 minutes later to decimal to binary and binary to decimal. So guys, if you have 31, suppose you got 31, what's the or else fine? Let's take some basic example first. Let's say fine 19 you have 19 how to convert into binary, right? So you write when you want to convert into binary, write like this one, this is 2 power 0, okay, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, okay, 2 power 5 is 32, it's more than 19, don't go for 2 power 5. Or you write directly 1 2 4 8, okay, 16, next is 32, this 19 is less than 32, no need to write 32. Now which combination will generate 19 is 16 2 and 1. So the binary value for 19 is in decimal, the binary value you should do it in 10011. Okay, you have to do this in hardly 10 seconds or 15 seconds here because there is a lot of other things you need to do in the question. You have to solve this in 10 to 15 seconds conversions, right? No sir, okay, that's, let's say one more example to convert decimal to binary. I want 50 dear, 50 is a decimal value, I want this in binary format, right? So respond in your groups. Okay, if you are converted, I'll check your app right now in your group. I'm seeing, okay, Srinath, good. Remaining people, if you got that value, fine, let me know. We'll check that. So now 50, you need to convert into binary. So as mentioned, so 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Next is 64. 50 is less than 64. No need to go for that. Now 50, 32 and 16, 48. 48 and 2, 50. So you can mention like 110010. Okay, so this is how you are converting decimal to binary. Job done. As many of you people are very familiar in this. Right now, let's see about binary to decimal. If you got a binary value, how to convert that into decimal? If people know this, fine. Okay, I'm just, that's the basic which is very much required. I'm spending 5 minutes time for that. So binary to decimal here, 1011. Okay, for information, I'm a ECE guy, electronics and communication. I'm able to handle pseudocode means as a CSC student, you can understand what way you can solve this question, right? It's not typical, but there is still some inputs to learn. So 1011. So here 1, here 2, here 4, here 8. Right? So where or once is the those values you add 8211 means 11. 11 is the decimal value for this. Binary converting into decimal. Right. Similarly, if you have 111110, okay, what is the decimal value? Respected decimal value is. Now onwards, don't write it on paper. When you put, okay, think without ink. When you put on paper, always, okay, it will take more than dragging the time, because one question, 1 minute hardly you need to spend. Accenture 90 questions, 90 minutes. 18 questions pseudocodes means 18 minutes only you need to spend, or hardly 5 minutes extra. But you should not spend more than that. So you should do these conversions. Then there is some other operations. Don't expect binary to decimal, decimal to binary pseudocode. No, there is some other things you need to do. Okay, these conversions you need to do fast. So in mind you can think this is 1. Okay, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 16, 30, sir. Is it 30? Yes, 30 is the decimal value, right? Excellent. Raghu, excellent. Lata, excellent. Chaitanya, excellent. Superb. Right now, without any delay, let us go ahead with the questions. My friends, first 5 questions are basics. Next onwards, all questions from so-called MNCs, what are mentioned so far, those questions, those model questions only we picked and we are discussing that. Now, this is the first question which is on screen now. Very basic question to understand pseudocodes. For this one, no need of C language or Python or C++. This is basic, right? Now let's see this. Integer A, B, C and some. Okay, there are integer values. That's it. That's what you can understand. You are reading A, B, C. Yes, inputs are given. It is taking A value 30, B value 60, C value 90. You are performing sum. If you do summation, what will happen? 30 plus 60 plus 90, 180. Okay. Now sum equal to 180, yes. A not equal to 0, yes. B not equal to 0, yes. C not equal to 0. All conditions satisfied. Now we have to go for the if loop. What it is printing? Success. Otherwise we have to print failure. So your answer is success. Let's see how easy. Very good, Srinath and Raghu. Success is the answer. Okay, I'll show the screenshots of that few MNCs what we collected, and then you can find their basic and easy questions only, because they know you have to solve the question within a minute or hardly 70 seconds, 80 seconds. Now see the second question. Don't worry about the questions, sir. I want to note down. No issues. I'm sharing you this PDF in your group. Now, when question is displayed, your primary job is take paper or your notes, work on it, what they are asking. And in fact, lucky thing, they're explaining when there is a no, new symbol, MOD, modulus actually, okay, they're explaining here. What is modulus? With example, they're explaining. You know what is modulus already? In mass also, okay, in aptitude part also, okay, if it is 5 divided by 2 or 5 mod 2 means you have to divide 5 with the 2, you have to find the remainder. It will give the result as remainder. Your answer is 1. If it is odd number 1, because okay, this is divided by 2 means okay, odd number 1, even number 0 for 2, mod 2 means here C equal to A plus B. Okay, I got 73. Next, 73, you need to divide with 23. What is the remainder? My dear, 73 divided by 23, remainder, we know 23 3 times 69, right? Okay, 69. We have a remainder 4. So you drop C value 4 now. Guys, C value 4. Okay. B equal to B plus C, 23 plus 4, 27. If you're understanding this flow and doing means, okay, people can able to do coding. You have the logic, okay, you need right syntax, right guidance to be successful in programming. If you're done with pseudocodes, means you are good in programming. You can do programming good. It means that. 50 minus 27, B value updated to 27, 50 minus 27, it's 23. Now you have to print A value, then B value, then C value. You know A is 23, B is 27, C is 4. Option A, right? Option A is the right answer. Srinath, Latha, Chaitanya, Raghu, superb. Shavani, good. Guys, check this. It's a basic that I'm aptitude faculty. That's why it's basic maths or aptitude only. I can say adding, subtracting. They given modulus means you have to find the remainder, right? So all these are basic. No need of okay programming language, all those syntaxes and all for this pseudocode. I'm not claiming that you don't want programming language. Don't take it wrong. Okay, you should know at least one or two programming languages. I want to say like okay this without that also non-CSCIT branches. Okay, don't afraid. This is easy only. Now let's see the next question. I think it's very easy for you. You know what is mod already, so I'm just skipping that explanation below. I'm just zooming this. You have A value 9, B value 7. You need to return. Return here means giving the output. In function, return means that will display the output. Like print. A9, B7. C value they set it as 2. C value 2 means fine. When B divided by even number, if B is odd number divided by 2, the odd number means remainder 1, even numbers means remainder 0. B1, A1, A plus B answer will be what? 17, 5, 2, and minus 5. 17, 5, 2, and minus 5. So your answer will be 2, right? See? This you are able to solve within a minute. You are able to solve within a minute now. B value 7, A value 9. You got it 1 here, you got it 1 here, 1 plus 1, 2. Guys, is that clear? Very good, Raghu and Chaitanya. Think without ink. I already mentioned many times. Think without ink. Fine, it's a big question, lengthy question, but easy one only. AB values, ABC values given here. Okay. A value 8, B value 6, C value 4. Now check the conditions. Accordingly, you change it. If A greater than B, then you assign B value to A. Sorry. Or else assign B value to A value to B. A equal to B means B value mapped to A. B equal to A means A value mapped to B. Okay, maybe if it is mass, we'll see in a different style. Okay, but here B value assigned to A value assigned to B. Then if C greater than B, B value assigned to C or C value assigned to B. Then one more thing, then you have to print A plus B plus C. That's it here. You have to print A plus B plus C after these steps. That's now what's the answer. After this, you have to print A plus B plus C. What's your answer? I'm waiting for your answer. I'm giving time for this. I'm not showing the options. I want A plus B plus C. Sinab, directly 18, but you have changes, right, Sinab? A8, B6, C4, adding 18, but you have changes in the process. You have to, if A greater than B, yes, A greater than B only, right? 8 greater than 6, then A will become 6 dear. Here A is changed to 6. Then don't do the second one, else you should not do. One among this if and else only we need to go. If condition done, don't go for else one, right? Tejashwini good, Raghu good, it seems so your answers are correct. So guys, what here? First one, 8 greater than 6. Yes, satisfied means I need to assign B value to A. Don't do else now. Next one, C greater than B. C is 4, B is 6. Failed. Failed means I have to go for else one. I have to go for else one means B value should be okay updated with C value. B equal to C. Right? Now at the end, A plus B plus C. So Srinath, I hope you got the point now. Good, okay, good trial. Okay, keep doing, answering. You got mistake, no problem. We have a scope to learn. If you don't answer, means you are not doing the mistake. Okay, there is no scope for learning. So keep doing. Okay, post your answers, whatever it may be, right or wrong. Don't hesitate. Right? Got the point? Superb, dear. Now let's see about next one. Now here, XR operation. This symbol XR. This symbol for XR. Okay. Before going for that question, let me explain what is this XR. Okay. Guys, in fact, in question, okay, they're explained actually below they'll explain. But due to space constraint, I removed that line. They're explaining what is that symbol meaning also. Find XR. Okay, let's see. In terms of values, let's say I want to do 7 XR 5. 7 XR 5 means that's a bitwise XR operation. First 7 should be converted into binary, which is 111. This is why I said in introduction, converting decimal to binary, binary to decimal is required. 5 means 101. This is binary value. Bitwise XR operation, you have to do bitwise. So bit to each bit. So you have to convert that into binary. Then each bit you need to do. Bitwise XR operation you need to perform. What is XR operation? Okay. Different means 1, same means 0. You can keep in mind XR is like a marriage. Simple. XR is like a marriage, right? So marriage is for what? Male and female. Marriage possible. Both males, marriage not possible. Both females, marriage not okay. Fine. So 1 and 1, both males, marriage not possible, 0. Different male and female, marriage okay. Both males, marriage 0, not possible. So now this is binary. You people need to convert into decimal 2. Don't say 7 minus 5 is 2. In this question we got XR is not subtraction. And surprise thing, whenever you want to do XR for same variables, it's always 0. A XR A is always 0 for information. Or sir, no, I am doing B XR 0 means B will come. This is like comparing. You are comparing. If it is same, 0. If it is different, then 1. Then this input is also going to help you. If you are doing XR for same thing, it will be 0. If it is XR with 0, other term is 0 means same value will come. Right now, let's enter into this next question. Okay, with this XR inputs, let us see this question. You want A plus B plus C finally. I'm just zooming that. Okay, I've given the input. In fact, actually, without XR operation also, you can solve this question. And here there is some new thing, if of X. When you have to execute that inside value is, if inside value not equal to 0, then you can enter into the loop. You can enter. Inside value 0, stop. You don't want to go for inside one. Don't enter into the inside value. That's what they explain. Here, if inside value positive not equal to 0, okay, then enter. Right? So here A plus B, 1 plus 1, 2. Now if of 2 plus 1 means if of 3. It's not equal to 0, you are entering. You can enter, you can proceed. Next one, listen. Next if loop is if of B value 1 plus 7 XR 1. Don't waste your time here by doing 7 XR 1. Sir, you said XR operation. My dear, already 1 is there, right? It's not equal to 0, right? Enter. Why you are wasting time? You can enter into that. Okay, if there is already 0, then I had to check whether it is 0 or not, then I have to worry about it. Already 1 is there. Inside value not equal to 0, then enter into the loop. A value assigned as 2, then B equal to A means B value also assigned as 2. Now you want finally A plus B plus C. A2, B2, C7. Answer is 11, right? See this, dear? Without XR operation also still you are able to do. Excellent, Tejaswini and Chaitanya. Guys are understanding. If not, just drop a message. Okay, what point you have a doubt, or you can come to the live in Teachment. You can unmute, and unmute option is anyhow there. You can just directly come to the live. Ask sir what point. Those who already joined in the teach meet, kindly you can unmute and ask if any issue is there. I think around 8 people: Prasanna, Chaitanya, Lata, Navya, Samhita, Shravani, and one more. 533 is there in the chat. Okay, joined in the teaching live. Okay, fine, good. Guys, let's see about the next one. Hope you understand. Don't worry about the question. I'm sharing the PDF. Let's see about the next one. Print why. I'm not giving options now. I want answer from your end. I'll wait for your answers. Finally, you want to print y value. Print y is the question. Everyone try this. Yeah, done with the question. I'm waiting for your responses. Either in app or in the current one, or else you can just share it in our group, common group. Okay, find one of your friend given the answer for this. Let me check is it correct or not. Now see this. Z plus K means 4 less than 8. Yes, true. Come inside. Next, Z mod 2. Z is odd number. Okay, modulus 3 mod 2. When 3 divided by 2, we'll get 1. It's not equal to 0. Yes, true. Come inside. Don't go for else now. As you entered into if, these two else's are not possible. Your job is simple: C equal to Y plus Z. You entered into in this if loop, right? Okay, why else? No. You entered into this if loop, this else is not required. So C equal to Y plus Z. So Y value 8, Z value 3, it's 11. You have to print Y value. Y value 8 only, it seems, not 11. C is updated. Okay, not Y value. I think answer is 8. Print Y is the question. You have option 11 also in general. We got C value 11, we may worry about, but answer here is 8. Agreed? I'm just checking. Okay, is that fine or not? Srinath, good. It's 8 actually here for this question because they're asking simply find print Y. Here, why not going to update it? Because you enter into this if loop, this else is not required. As you enter this first if loop, this else is not required. No need to update y there. Okay, so we got y value, print y. If it is print c, then answer is 11. So we need to check what they are asking. Got it? So answer is equal to 11 if print c is asked. Right, got it? Let's go for the next question. And operation they are doing fine, but already you know if if inside not equal to 0, then you can enter into the loop. Wanted they'll give lengthy one so that you people see the question is very difficult and you are not entering into that. Don't do that. It's very simple. P value 3, right? 3 plus something. Okay, I have not equal to 0. And operation or XR operation, they don't give negative values. You know, right? Okay, binary, it's and operation, all this, it won't give negative values for this positive numbers. If you do and operation, you got some value, it's positive only or 0. We don't get negative. So as it is 3 already, 3 plus something, right? Okay, I can enter. Now p value decreased by 2, p will become 1. Q equal to p, q become 1. Now this else no need to enter, because this if is done, then why else, right? Guys, P plus Q plus R, you are able to solve within a minute or not, you check it out now. This is you fix, like this is the question given in exam, right? Okay, you just see this, solve, go ahead, that's it. Within a minute, okay, whether you're able to solve the question. When a question is displayed, your target is solving that in 40 to 50 seconds. Answer 4. Tejaswini superb, Lata superb, Sinath superb. Rest of the people also you can share your answers. Now let's see about this typical question. Your final thing is you have to print P plus Q plus R. I'm sure you ask P plus Q plus R is the target. This is the last step. After this, you need to print P plus Q plus R. Better I'll put the timer also. I'll check is there any possibility to do all those things. 1 second. One moment. Yeah, I hope you people can see the screen now. Anyone text, is it screen visible or not? Screen visible, right? Anyone text me, is screen visible for you or not? So that accordingly I can move forward. I just want to add timer. Visible. Okay. Now you can see timer also added. So from here I'll just show you. Okay. Now timer also added. Once, okay, I think there is some issue with the timer. It's showing only up to 4 to 5 seconds. Fine, we'll remove it. You can practice using the timer case also. We'll check. Fine, anyhow, what's the answer for this one? Meanwhile, I'll see alternate for the timer. Then you can feel okay, you also got some time to work on it, right? That's answer done. Yeah, I hope you can find the timer now. Okay, now let's see about this question. Okay, I wasted that 1 minute for this. 31 is correct answer. Very good. Tejaswini, Chaitanya, Srinath, excellent. Your answer 31 is correct. Now here onwards we'll put timer for every question. We'll check whether people are able to do that within the time or not. Fine, here 20 greater than 20 places, obviously this else is not required. Straightforward. R greater than R plus P. 1 second, sorry. Okay, R greater than R plus something is failed. We should go for this one. P value decreased by 2, R value decreased by 2, 18. Now here, as 1 is involved, okay, R1, R operation, what is there means this side or this side, anyone satisfied also okay. R is like, okay, this is R actually, this is like window, okay, or suppose your door, you have door with two sides open, okay, this one, you have a door, you can enter with this one or this one, you can enter into the room, right? With this open, this left side one or right side one, okay, then you can enter into that room, right? So like that you can think R is like, so one is there means you can enter. RD mentioned 0 XR with other value will give other one only, Q value 5, no need to do this. Now 8 plus 8 plus 5, 31. Guys, XR operation I already mentioned, okay, 0 XR with B will be B only, P8 R18. Now this is how you can go. Got it? Now let's see the next question. See this one now. I'll wait for 40 seconds. Once the timer, if it is working properly, okay, I'll wait up to that time. Then we'll go for the next question, explaining that. I think it's not working properly. It seems issues with that GAF. Okay, fine. Anyhow, what's the answer for this question? P plus Q plus R. After 19, I think it's moving to 38 double. We remove the timer when it's not working properly. Why? All those disturbances. Right now, I share. Stop this screen sharing. One more. And now it's enabled. Yeah, what's the answer here for this question? You have to solve within a minute, right? So that you fix. Listen, here this question you can solve it a bit faster. This is XR operation already I mentioned, but don't do this first step, waste of time. Why, sir? P is again updated, right? 8 plus 8 plus 8, previous value P I not used in the next step, okay, and it's P getting updated. Why to do this waste of time, right? XR operation, I know you, if you even though you solve, you will get same thing. Okay, P updated, I'm not using it, then the next step it's again updated. Waste of time. But here also R, okay, updated, but that R value I'm not using in the next step. Again, I'm updating R. This is waste of time. This one you have to do. 12 XR with P. Now see, you have to do XR operation. Okay, decimal to binary, binary to decimal after doing XR. 12 is 8, 4, 2 and 1 not required. 24 is 16, 8. Okay, 4 to 1 is not required. See how fast you need to convert that, and you have to do XR operation. Different means 1, same means 0. Now again this should be converted into binary. 16, 8 gone, 4, 16 plus 4, 20. Guys, see that speed you require if you want to solve within a minute. That's what has taken some time initially. You people need to convert binary to decimal, decimal to binary. In university exams, semester exams, so you need to put it in a lengthy way. But here, how fast you are able to solve is matter, right? So now P updated to 24, Q no change, R updated to 20. If I'm not wrong, your answer should be 52. I'm checking anyone solved this. Yes, Srinath and Raghu solved it. Ravi Kiran solved it. Good to see more people are adding, means you people are understanding the concept. Good, that's good. Whether it is right or wrong, no hesitation. Try solving. Now here one update is what? Okay, we need to reduce the number of steps. It's not required to do all. Okay, previous one we need to check. Is it used again? P value not used in next step. So doing this is waste of time. Understand that point. Or else, sir, I want to do 8 XR 8 is 0, dear. Same numbers XR is 0. Here PXRP, RXR, PXRP, PXRP is 0. Okay, then RXR 0 is R only. Fine. If you want to do, still this is what going to happen. No need to do that third step and fifth step. If still you want to do, that's what I want to update. Now for next question, I'm expecting more responses from you people, but still this is a update. Okay, you have to written A plus B. This is excellent question, new question. Options, okay, I'm just ignoring. This is the one. Your input A value 1, B value 1, B value 2, sorry. I'll just put that value here. A value 1, B value 2 is the input. A lot of people will skip solving when there is a function in the question. So A1, B2, dear. This is the entire thing. I want, okay, this is written in output also here, written A plus B is the final thing. If this condition failed, you have to return this. Again, keep on doing. If this condition, if is satisfied, you have to do this. Okay, if this is not satisfied, you have to return A plus B finally. Now let me check how many of you can answer this. There is few more questions related to this function oriented FUNN. It's not typical. Again, you need okay any programming language to do. No, it's very simple task. You have to keep on increasing A value, B value until this condition fail. When A equal to 3, B equal to 4, those condition, if loop fail, then I have to come for else. Answer 3 plus 4, 7 dear. Answer is 7, very simple, right? How, sir? This is a recursion thing, okay? Keep on updating. First A value 1, B value 2. A less than 1, A less than 3 is satisfied, B less than 4 satisfied. Now I have to increase that values. Means A value become now 2, B value become 3, A plus 1, B plus 1. I have to return increased values. Now again with A2, B3 I'll enter into this loop. A less than, A2 means less than 3, B is 3 less than 4, update, okay. We have to enter into this. A value updated to 3, B value, B plus 1 means updated to 4. Now again I enter A less than 3, failed. B less than 4, B equal to 4, 4 less than 4, no. 4 is equal to 4, not less than. So this is failed. When it failed, I have to return A plus B. Now A value 3, B value 4. Your answer is 7. Guys are understanding this. Guys, are you clear with this one? Madhuri entered. Super Madhuri. Good. Chaitanya Srinath, Raghu, Comrade, somebody with the name. Tejashmi, are you clear with this question? Hope you're understanding or not. Yes or no? Right. So then still we have an update in the next one. Can you explain it once? Srinath, okay, what is happening? Let's see this entire scenario. Okay, I'm just erasing entire screen now. We have A value and B value 2 here. Okay, I entered with A value and B value 2. First, A less than 3. Yes, A value 1 less than 3 satisfied. B value 2, 2 less than 4 satisfied. I have to enter into this if loop. What it is saying, it is returning after increasing A and B values. I have to enter into this function again. FUNN is the function. I have to enter into this function. FUNN. I have to enter into the same program by increasing the values of A and B. A become 2, B become 3. Again, FUNN means same. This function only I have to enter. Now entered into this function. Now coming to the first step. A less than 3, yes, 2 less than 3. B value 3, 3 less than 4. Yes, again I have to enter into this one. What it is saying, you increase the values of A plus 1 means this is increased. This value is increased it to 3. B increase it to 4. Now again I have to enter into this function only. Now entering into this function, first step is A less than 3. 3 less than 3 failed. When 1 is failed also because of AND, this if is fail, skipped. I had to go for else operation. What is else operation now for the updated values? A value 3, B value 4. Answer is 7. Returning 7. Is it clear now, dear Srinath? Fine. Superb, dear. Now let's see about the next level question on this same one. Guys, I'll wait for your answers. These type of questions will be given in Infosys. In Infosys, 4 questions, 10 minutes. You don't have 1 minute to do. In Infosys, okay, pseudo code round. You can check. It's not. You can check in your Google. Okay, Infosys test pattern for 3.6 package. 6.5, 9.5 only programming will there. Okay, but for 3.6 level package, you have pseudo code round. Hardly they'll give 4 questions and they'll give time 10 minutes time. 4 or 5, I think it's 4 if I'm not wrong, or else it's 5 hardly. Okay, but you have extra time. It's not 1 question, 1 minute take required. You have some extra time. But it won't end in one step. It will keep on loop, keep on repeating. You have to do. Good question, actually, to say. A value 2, A greater than 0, satisfied. B value 6, B greater than 0, satisfied. Now your result should be A2, B value 6. Here, you have to enter into this loop with A plus 1. A value 2 plus 1 means 3. 3 comma 0 you have to enter here. And again you have to enter into this loop with 3 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4 comma 0. And again you have to enter into the same with 5 comma 0. My dear friend, if you enter with the 3 comma 0, A value greater than 0, B greater than 0 failed, means my result should be written A plus B. Guys, what is the result for function of 3 comma 0? Means you have to enter into the same program with A value 3, B value 0. Function of 4 comma 0 means you have to enter into the same program with A value 4, B value 0. What should be this result? You know, when B is 0, you are not entering into this line. You have to skip this. You have to go for this returning A plus B. You have to come out of this. Okay, it's failed. You have to come out of this. You should return A plus B. Return A plus B means it is returning 3, it is returning 4, it is returning 5. Okay, it should be like that. Okay, now this is 3, here 4, here 5, 12 plus 8, 20. I think there should be one more line here and there. Some small glitch is there, I too agree. Okay, don't expect MNC companies is sharing entire questions with us. No, it's like memory based questions. Some of you people attend the Infosys drive. Once you are done with that drive, okay, once you come out of the exam, you people are writing on paper, this is the question what we remembered. Some lines may be missed, don't worry. But I think you understand the heart and soul of this question, what they want to ask. Hope you are clear with that, right? Okay, I too agree that maybe 1 or 2 lines missing here, some glitch, or they had to mention L something like that. Okay, fine. Okay, ignore that small errors, but the main thing, because they didn't give the option, error in the question is not there, right? Maybe while sharing the getting the data from the students, some mistake may happen here and there. With this today's session of around 2 hours or 1 hour, whatever it might be, you people should understand the pseudo codes clearly. And not only understanding, task is to solve within 1 minute majority of the questions. Some specific questions like this, we have to take around 2 minutes also, no problem. Right? Srinath, is it clear now, this question? Chaitanya, good. Latha, good. Ravikan, is it clear? Madhuri, Tejaswini, hope you understand. Chaitanya, is it clear? Right? Right? Superb, dear. Maybe some glitch in the question, I do agree. Now let's see about this question. Then we'll go for MNC questions. Straightforward. I'll share some screenshots, whatever it's available with me. Okay, there are plenty of, okay, few I will be given. Here also maybe some glitch. Okay, else something may be required, but still, okay, understand the soul of the question. Okay, what they want to ask, the main theme of the question, and try to go ahead with this. It's pretty much similar to previous question. I want answer from everyone. Those who are in online or live, please respond. Just give a response. Yeah, what's your answer here? I'm waiting for your answer. Try whether it is mistake, no problem. You have learning, right? Why too many worries? Yeah, already your friends started sharing answers. Chaitanya, Srinath, and Raghu all given same answers. Fine, we'll check. Right, so 14 is the answer given by your friends. We'll see that. A plus B, 4 plus 6. But here, they okay, other values depends on this function. A should be increased by 1, means A value become, this is 5. B, 6 minus 5 means 1. Now, I have to enter into the same thing with the inputs 5, comma 1. When enter with 5, comma 1, first condition satisfied, second condition failed, your result should be 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. So 4 plus 6 plus 4, 14 is the answer. I hope you understand the model of question. When they use the FENN function like that, means it's like repetition. Iteration is going on. Okay, keep on, they'll check one condition again, one more, we keep on working on the same program twice and thrice. It's like for loop, repeatedly going with that condition satisfied and all, like similar to that. Okay, let's see the next one, guys. Anyone at least let me know, is this things inputs okay for you? Are you understanding? Is this useful? Or else I don't want to take the guilty of wasting your time. Please respond. Okay, if it is okay, fine. Or else we'll go for the other stuff. There are a lot of other things to be discussed. I'll give one crypto arithmetic question also. We'll discuss that. Okay, then fine. There is a lot of things to be added. Crypto arithmetic stuff also I want to give. I know. Okay, that's not discussed by Gauss sir. Okay, we given already some tasks for sir. I'll give some crypto arithmetic questions as well. That's a new thing for you. What about this question answer? Some gaming question also will be shared. Okay, there are a lot of stuff. Whenever you say, fine, sir, I am okay with this stuff, then immediately, okay, I'll switch for the other things. Every minute you should have a chance to learn something. That's what I always believe. If there is no learning, we'll go for the other things, right? That R symbol, type this is for R. R means anything, 1 not equal to 0 is okay. This is R gate. Any door open, fine. This door open or this door open, we can enter. As it is 3, we can enter. It's not equal to 0, we can enter into the loop. Next one is 0. 0 and operation with 3 will give 0. So we cannot enter into this loop. 0 and operation with 3 will be 0. If inside, okay, we don't want 0 actually. This is and operation. So 0 means we cannot enter into that loop. Means this is skipped. I have to do XOR operation. For what? 0 XOR with 3. I already mentioned 0 XOR with any other value. That other value will come into picture. So only thing you got p value updated. You can speed up also. Okay, you can get p value updated to 3. So 3 plus 4 plus 3. Hope you got answer as 10. Madhuri correct, Tejaswini correct, and few more people are typing answers. So guys, see the beauty. This question you have to solve within a minute, right? Got it. Superb. Let's see the next one. This one I'll keep. Okay, fine. This is a new set like P of 0 and all, not allowed for practice. We'll discuss if any other question similar to that, I'll give practice. These also you keep in mind, you have to solve the question within a minute. Question displayed, okay, take a paper, work on it. Yes, we can solve this is within a minute here, I'm sure. P of 0, this is P of 0. This is P of 4. 1 AND operation with 7 is not equal to 0. M will be equal to P of 1. P of 1 means 1 only. This is P of 1. Right. Whereas next one, this will become 0. P of 2 is 1, 0. P of 3 is 1. And 0 AND operation with 1 will give 0 only. So we don't do this. So your answer is 1. See? Your answer is nothing but equal to 1. Madhuri, Srinath, Chaitanya, Raghu, Tejashwini, excellent. And some people are responding in this teachment. Sorry, Samhita, excellent. Samhita is responding in teachment. Fine, good. Yeah, this question, fine, will do. I am just eagerly waiting for that screenshot related questions. And all these few people can do, but I just want to, yeah. This question might not be visible clearly, but I just want to zoom it. Now I think things will be clear. This is the question, one of the screenshot from one of the MNC. I hope now question is visible for everyone. I want A, B, C separately. A, B, C value separately you want. This is the question. First one also they want to say all are integer. That's not a big deal for you. So here I want A, B, C values at the end. Division, division should give integer only. When you divide C by 60, you got 1 point something means B should be 1 only. They declared all these are integers for information. So when you got fraction 1 point something, 2 point something, take it as 1 and 2. 0 point something means take it as 0. Right, work on this. I want finally A, B, C values here. A, B, C values I want. Questions, okay, the screen which is displayed is that there is some blur image, I too agree. But among the things which is visible, please check once. I want A, B, C values. I'm waiting for a response in the group. We have 4 to 5 questions will be discussed. After that, we'll go for gaming related. Okay, Geo Pseudo Code. Okay, is there. We'll see that gaming part also. Fine. And if time permits, crypto arithmetic one question at least. Waiting for a response. I want A, B, C here. I repeat, I want A, B, C values. Hope I am audible. Hope screen is visible. Somebody is texting. Madhuri, it seems. Fine, Madhuri, yes. Madhuri given the answers for A, B, C. I removed options are not displayed now, but still see your friends are confident enough. Remaining. Let's fight. Chaitanya is texting. Okay, Madhuri, to help you, I just show the options as well. 14, 12, 6 is available, Madhuri and Chaitanya, excellent. Option 14, 12, and 6 is available. Guys, first one is you did C1 plus C2, right? So which is nothing but 66. Then B is C divided by 60. 66 divided by 60, integer means it should be only 1. 1 point something, it's an integer. Then C equal to 66 mod 66, 60. means when 66 divided by 60, reminder. This is reminder, this is division, this is the reminder when it's divided by that. Okay. Then B equal to B1. B is already 1. B1 is 26. B2 is 45. Right. So this is 71 plus 1. If I'm not wrong, it's 72. Yeah, 72 anyhow. Right. Then A will be equal to 72 divided by 60. I want integer. It will be 1 only. Integer. Then B equal to 72 mod 60. Remainder is 12. Then A equal to A plus A1 to A to 11. I think this is what the final. So you got A value finally 14. There is some lot of changes. Finally, what is that? A value 14. B last one is 12. C last one is 6. As your friends rightly given, A 14, B 12, C 6. Sir, how to solve this question within a minute, sir? My dear, if you see the options are actually C value 6 you obtain here itself, right? Then C not changed. C value 6 available in only one options, you know. No need to do remaining. That smart work you need to do in exam, dear. Sir, entire things okay. Whenever you have time practicing entire, okay, fine. But why wasting time? Okay, when options, I too agree. I didn't display the options initially, but you can see here options. I'm zooming that options part. C value 6 available only in one option. You got C value 6 here, and it's not updated anywhere else, right? Not updated anywhere else. So stop there, right? Okay, this is how you have to do the smart work here. Now this question, jump out of this entire loop, this condition satisfied. Now let's see. Okay, this one also you can go for a smart work. You people may have a worry, sir. I have to do this loop. C value 3 to 6 means C3 for C4 for C5 for C value 6. This many times I have to do, sir. Okay, it means it will take more time. Fine, but try solving the question. Jump out of the loop means you will come out. No need of this anything. If there is a word called continue, means you have to go for the starting point. Continue means starting of the loop. Jump out of the loop means entire out. Some syntaxes they'll use the word continue. For information, listen, they'll explain like this in the question. I just want to share that point. Okay, in question like this, they'll mention if it is continue, they use any word. Continue means okay, you stop there, your control jumps to beginning. Whenever continue came, you have to go for the beginning of the loop. Whenever, and they explain this also. XR means what is the result. They'll mention everything, you know. They'll explain XR operation is what, continue operation is what, jump out of the loop means they'll mention. You have to come out of this entire for loop. Entire that loop you have to come out. When you see the encounter continue, you have to go for the starting of the loop. Later they'll explain the question. No issues. Here jump out of the loop. Now guys see B and A 2 greater than 0. Satisfied, right? Jump out of the loop. For C value 3, you first enter 2 greater than 0. Out. For C value 4, out. C value 5, satisfied. You have to jump out of that. Entire loop. Entire loop. So 2 plus 0 plus 2, answer is 2. No wasting time, dear. Jump out of the entire loop. Within 1 minute, you are able to solve. Whether C3 or C4 or C5 or C6, first step is checking B greater than A. Yes, it's satisfied. Means you are entering into this, out of this for loop. Gone. Right? Fine. If it is starting point, that's a different thing. It's out of. You come out of that entire loop. Now this one, what should be your answer? These all questions collected from MNCs, so okay, memory based questions. So guys, waiting for this question answer. They will give questions like this. You people, when you see for loop, I have to do iterations, keep on doing that loop, wasting your time. No, 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 no. But see here, what happened? First condition, 2 less than B, yes, true, means jump out of the loop. So directly print A plus B. I no need to end. This is the loop. This loop I have to come out. I have to come out of this loop, right? Then A plus B, 4 plus 3, 7. Guys, see this type of questions are given, right? Okay. So when there is a words like jump out of the loop, continue, okay, they give the meaning in the question itself. I skip those all theory, okay, to make sure the screen is visible for you. Now, yeah, next this screenshot. Okay, here this is printing. Keep on printing. What this is like 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 0 0 1 2 3. Which is this? So that's what's the final output of this code. N value 4 means I have to enter into this loop from 1 to 4. I value 1, I value 2, I value 3, I value 4. If this satisfies, B should be decreased by 1 or else directly printing. This value I have to print directly. Okay, or else I have to decrease the B by 1, then I have to print. B not equal to 0 means you have to decrease it, then you have to go. So what should be your result? Is it 1 2 3 4 or 0 1 2 3 or 1 2 3 0? Options also I am showing. 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 0 0 1 2 3. Guys, this is the question given in MNC. What's your answer? Do this basic steps right. At least one response. Within a minute you target, within a minute you have to solve. You know, mod means it's like giving the reminder. Right, so start with I value 1. For I value 1, B is 1 divided by 4, reminder 1 only. As it is not equal to 0, if condition satisfied, okay, B not equal to 0, so B should be decreased by 1. Means B becomes 0. So first you will print 0. It's not 1, 2, 3, 4, you print 0. Okay. Then I value 2. You printed 0, fine. So I'll write the result here. We'll keep on checking the result 0 first. Then for I value 2, what will happen? We'll write it in horizontal. B value become 2. 2 divided by 4. 2 cannot be divided by 4. Remainder is 2. It's not equal to 0. B will be updated to, okay, not equal to 0 anyhow. B will be subtracted by 1. So B will become 1. So you are printing 1. Then for I value 3, for I value 3, okay, B will become 3. B not equal to 0, we are decreasing. B become 2. You printed it 2. For I value 4, that's the special case. B is 0. 4 divided by 4, remainder is 0. For I value 4, B equal to 0, no need to decrease, you have to print 0. So answer 0, 1, 2, 0. Option C. Guys, is that clear? 0, 1, 2, 0. Raghu, that's not the 0, 1, 2, 0. It's not 0, 1, 2, 3 series. Basic question only. But important thing is how fast you are doing. How fast you're doing is important. Right. 0120 is your answer. What are I written on screen? Okay, all this we are sharing. I'm sharing anyhow. Now this question, dear, are you able to solve within a minute or not? Check once. Time is now 3:16. I'll give 1 minute time. We have few screenshots so that when screenshot is there, you people believe it's a direct question from MNC at least. That's why I'm solving those questions. Once it is done, then we'll go for the other stuff like crypto arithmetic and all. I hope you got the idea regarding pseudo codes. Once any drive enabled, if there is pseudo codes, again we'll give some inputs going forward from our college team. So guys, let's see about this. Solve, speed up. You have to return A plus B plus C finally. After only one few questions, immediately we'll go for the other stuff. Waiting for your answers, dear. I'm a person like okay, I'll wait for your answers in general because then I believe like okay, people are understanding the inputs. First value of C, don't go with that because that's not used in next one. 1 XR 3, you have to do calculation. 1 is 0, 1. 3 means okay, 1, 1. XR operation will give 1, 0 means 2. Okay, so XR operation will give 2. Okay. C equal to 2 plus B value 5. C becomes 7 here. Next here in our loop, one among the true also okay. 6 less than 7. Here 6 less than 7 true. I'll go inside. B is updated as C plus A. C is 7. A is 8. B is updated to 15. Right. Then come to this lot. A equal to 7 plus B. 7, B value 15, updated value of B is 15, it become 22. Now A equal to A, updated 22, 22 plus 8 is 30. You have to do AND operation with B 15. Guys, AND operation, okay, 30, binary value, 16 and 8, 24, then 4, 28, 2, 30, 1 is not required. Whereas 15, you know, all ones, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. If you do AND operation, what will be the result is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, which is equivalent to 8, 4, 2. 8 plus 4 plus 2, 14. Right, see, this all things if you want to do, okay, you have to be very speed enough, okay, to do conversions and all. At least there you can save time, right? Now finally I want to return A plus B plus C. What should be your answer? A value 14, B value 15, C updated to 7, so it's 36 if I am not wrong. Let me check. Is there any, maybe sometimes I also do mistake here and there. Srinath given 36, correct? That's rest of the people, is it okay? Hope you got 36. This is taking bit extra time, fine, okay. Some questions made, that's what, few questions they given directly. First step itself directly got the answer. There you need to save time and you have to project here. Got it? Understand? So no barriers here. All branch students can crack this things. Now this one, Finally, I want A plus B plus C. This is question given in MNC. Finally, I want A plus B plus C here. Let's work on this. I want A plus B plus C value. Inside value should not be equal to 0 if you want to enter. If you entered in F, if, don't apply else. Don't do all these things stepwise. When if is satisfied, don't go for else one. Up to this only is done. You want to print A plus B plus C, that's it. Only these steps. What's your answer here? I want A plus B plus C. Speed up, speed up. And really sorry for troubling you people in this virtual session. Okay. Still, we are trying to do the best and give the best for you people. You are close to my heart. Okay, because kite is always special for me. So now let's see here. A value equal to 2. Yes, if we have to enter A value equal to C. Before one waste of time. Else no need to apply. Again here 2 minus 1. Okay. It will become 1. So you can enter. Else is not required. C equal to C plus 1. C is updated to 3. Finally printing A plus B plus C. B is still 5. A 2. C 3. You got answer 10. Option 10 is available. Got it. Excellent, Srinath, Lata, Moksha Priya. Thanks for joining, for your response. Let's see the next one. This question. Go to line means go to the 7th step. Go to 7th step. If C less than 40, go to the 7th. This print C. Go to line means you are going here and again keep on doing. That's why this many results are there. It's not one value. There are many because go to line. Line is they mention 4th point. At least they have to mention go to line 4, but they given a comment. What should be the result? C, okay, only few steps. C value given, D value given. Until C value less than 40, you have to keep on doing there. When you got C value greater than 40, you have to stop the process. Simple is that. When C value is equal to 40 or equal to greater than 40, then we'll stop the process. Until then, you have to print that C. Indirectly, they created a loop here. You have to go to this line. Yes, what should be your answer? Last half an hour we'll do in a different style. Okay, we'll go for different inputs. So here D equal to C minus 1. D become 11. Okay. Print C. 15 printed. First you have to print C. 15 printed. Then come to if. If C less than 40. Before that there is one step, sorry. C equal to D plus C minus 2. D value 11. D value 14, right? Blender from my end. D value 14. Print C means yes, first 15 you printed. D value become 14. Now C is D 14 plus C minus 2 13 to become 27. It's less than 40. C less than 40. So I have to go for printing. Print C point I have to go. Means I have to print 13 printed. 13 printed. Then come to if. If C less than 40. Before that there is one step, sorry. C equal to D plus C minus 2. D value 11. D value 14. Print C means yes, first 15 you printed. D value become 14. Now C is D 14 plus C minus 2 13 to become 27. It's less than 40. C less than 40. So I have to go for printing. Print C point I have to go. Means I have to print 27. Okay. Then again, come to that C value updation. So what should be the C updating? C is now D value 14. C become 27. 27 minus 2. 41 minus 2, we got 39. A C less than 40, again go for printing. Then again update C value. C is now 14 plus 39 minus 2, which is 51 minus 2, right? We got, yeah, anyhow, this is 51, 50, sorry, 63 minus 2. Okay, we got 51 anyhow. It's great less than 40, not satisfied, we have to stop. Your option is B, 15, 27, and 39. It's not none, I think, 15, 27, and 39. What they're asking into print is important. Print C. First you have to print C, then again C only, always C only printing until C value less than 40. This is the first step. This is the second step in process. This is the third step in process. In third step, C is more than 40, so no need to proceed further. Right? Okay. Fine. So I hope you got certain inputs regarding pseudocode. Right? Okay. This is actually technical stuff. Okay. This is generally considered like a technical round. Okay. Not quantum reasoning. Okay. I hope you got inputs. Now, as mentioned, I'll give crypto arithmetic question as well. Let us see how many of you can crack that crypto arithmetic question. What is that, sir?